The Iran Mall is one of the 5 biggest shopping malls in the world in terms of area and one of the largest commercial, cultural, and social projects in the world, located in northwest Tehran in Iran by Chitgar Lake. This multi-purpose complex has been designed on a land with an area of 317,000 square meters and 7 floors. Its infrastructure area in the first phase is 1,350,000 square meters, which will be increased to 1,600,000 square meters when all the development phases are completed. The first phase, with the capacity of 267,000 square meters and 700 retail units, was opened on the International Labor Day, the 1st of May 2018. Over 1,200 contractors and 25,000 workers took part in the construction of Iran Mall. Iran Mall is owned by Iranian Bank. The original idea of building such a great complex came from the well-known Iranian entrepreneur Ali Ansari, who has also been the chief of executive of constructing Iran Mall. I hope you one day go to Iran Mall. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, hit the like and leave a comment, and make sure to hit subscribe button and turn on your notification. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video.